Hello and welcome to another video. In this video I want to give a very short review of my Parkside from Lidl supermarket cordless handheld vacuum cleaner, part of the 20 volt team. And I want to see how well this cleans and how practical it is to clean in your car, to clean, let's say, dirty carpets, and in general to vacuum clean your car. Let's see what's in the box and how it performs. Here we go, los kids. So with the Parkside you can vacuum both wet and dry, which is interesting, and it comes with a bunch of accessories. And I have this battery from Lidl. I have the 4 ampere hour battery, so the bigger one, and that allows you to connect it to a wide variety of accessories. Let's unpack it. So in the box itself we have the cordless vacuum cleaner. It has a decent reservoir. Here on the top you can attach all sorts of attachments, and it has a nice grip. The build quality, I would say, is quite good of this product. It lays nice in the hand. Even without the battery, it's already quite heavy. And yeah, I have this bigger Lidl battery. I'm even surprised how heavy these are. This is the 4 ampere one. I can tell you that after clicking this in, it makes the vacuum cleaner quite heavy. So yeah, maybe not so nice for extended period of time vacuum cleaning. Are still considering buying a new set, it's better to get the offer from Lidl with the smaller 2 times 4 ampere hour batteries, and then you can just switch them. Now I have a 30 minutes of operating time, and if I had a smaller battery I would have half of that, but it would be considerably lighter to operate. So keep that in mind. It's good for your arms, but it's less comfortable. And then further in the box there's also something for, I guess, small floor vacuum cleaning on the go. And you have multiple tips that you can use. Here also one with the brush and a longer extension stick. And altogether, for the money you pay, I think it's a good deal. Let's see how it performs on the dirt in the car. Here's a really good test object, both wet and dirty. Let's see, here we go. Lidl vacuum cleaner, take 1. The performance is decent, but I think with a bigger tip I'll get a better result. So let's change it around and try again. So I've now selected the model with the brush, and let's see how that performs. Okay, I find the performance alright, but I actually would have thought it would be a lot stronger. It's able to lift the dirt, but it takes quite a bit of effort. Now for comparison, I have here my trusted companion, the Hyundai 12 volt that you plug into the cigarette outlet. Let's see if this one is able to perform just as well as the Lidl one, because this one is a fraction of the money and is very portable and practical. Here we go. Okay, here's the Hyundai 12 volt vacuum cleaner, which is very light, and it goes into the cigarette outlet. Very nice long cord that you can work with, very portable. And this one, I hope that you can see, hop. And this Hyundai 12 volt vacuum cleaner so much more portable and so much more lightweight than this bigger Parkside vacuum cleaner from Lidl. In my opinion, okay, nothing beats, of course, the big traditional vacuum cleaner that you can connect to the socket. But if you don't have a socket at home, you don't have an extension cord, and you need to select one of these two. Okay, this one is slightly better, but this one is so much more practical and also gets the job done. So in my opinion, a 12-volt car vacuum cleaner like this is so practical and can be used everywhere. And I think they're still better than this one from Lidl. Let me know which one you prefer. Do you use the Parkside vacuum cleaning from Lidl? Or do you like also this portable 12-volt Hyundai vacuum car cleaner or any other brand like this? Write me in the comments, and I hope this was helpful. I'm going to clean the rest of my car. It's very dirty. See you in the next video and have a great week. Auf Wiedersehen.